Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. దీనికి ఫస్ట్ రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడ బేస్ 8 సెంటీమీటర్స్ గీయాలి. దాని తర్వాత ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇలా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ గీసి ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ 4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఆర్క్ గీసి ఇది జాయిన్ చేయాలి. ఇది రిక్వైర్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి అవుతుంది. సో 1.5 టైమ్స్ కాబట్టి 3/2. సో అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్తోని ఏ దగ్గర ఏఎక్స్ గీసి దీన్ని 3 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేయాలి. A1, A2, A3 and we have to join A2 and B, extend this AB and we will draw a parallel line. Then we have to extend AC, we will draw a parallel line like this. Okay, so A, B1, C1, this will be our required triangle. Okay, we will do the construction. So first I will draw base AB 8 centimeters. Okay, so I will join these 2 points. This is AB 8 centimeters. So to draw perpendicular bisector, I have to take more than half. See, more than half, like this. More than half you can take like this also. So draw an arc up and down like this. From B you cut these arcs like this. Okay, now if you join these 2 points you will get the perpendicular bisector. You draw from here only. Now the altitude should be 4 centimeters. So measure 4 centimeters. So this is 4. So keep this here on the midpoint. This will be a 4 centimeters. Now join, this will be C. Now join AC and join BC. So this is ABC triangle. So now draw a ray from A to X with acute angle here. Now take some radius on compass and make 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. I will name them A1, A2, A3. So because I want 3/2 times, I have to join A to B. Right, and now I will extend AB to Y. I have to draw a parallel line from A3 to this A to B. So to draw a parallel line, I will take some radius from A to, I have to draw an arc like this. Okay, now with the same radius from A3 also draw the arc like this. Right, now I will measure the distance between these 2 points. Right, this is the required distance. Same from this point you cut this arc. Now join A3 and this point and extend it up to BY. Right, like this. So this will be our B1. So now we have to extend AC like this to Z. Now draw a parallel line from B1 to CB. To draw a parallel line, again I am taking some radius. I will draw an arc like this. See the same radius, draw an arc like this. Now measure this distance. From this point, like this. Now from B1, join this point and extend it up to our ray. Like this. Okay. Now this will be our C1. So triangle A, B1, C1 is a required triangle, similar to triangle ABC. A, B1, C1. Okay. Now we'll see the steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment AB equal to 8 centimeters. Draw a perpendicular bisector OC to AB at O. Mark a point C on perpendicular bisector such that OC is equal to 4 centimeters. Join AC and BC to get isosceles triangle ABC. Draw AX with acute angle at A. Mark A1, A2, A3 such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3. Join B, A2 and extend AB to AY. Draw A3, B1 parallel to A2B. Extend AC to AZ. Draw B1, C1 parallel to BC. Therefore, triangle A, B1, C1 is similar to triangle ABC.